Hello, people. Tired of looking at what you see in the mirror? Blame the glass, because we've got a dozen mirrors that accentuate the positive. And you look great. Yeah, all the links to the products are pinned in the comments below. Let's do it. Our first mirror is not for men. Ladies, this HiMirror does it all. Whether you're at home or on the go, enhance your daily beauty routine. Equipped with two LED light strips, you can adjust the color temperature and brightness and play music that will make you feel like dancing, even though you can't dance at all. Tired of looking in the mirror and wondering if your skincare products are working? Monitor the changes in your skin over time to see what is really working for you. Follow along with your favorite influencer by watching YouTube videos directly on the mirror. Try potentially humiliating makeup styles in the privacy of your own home. Looking good? Maybe. Okay, this may look a little pretentious. A mirror surrounded by geometric shapes. But the Fralimk mirror backs it up. This bathroom mirror has two smart touch sensor controls, one for the lighting and one for its anti-fog function. Never again worry about the mist or water drops blurring your vision. Lit by white light, natural light, and warm light, we've done all we can to make you look good. This mirror comes in one style, the one you need. Believe it. The LED will last for 50,000 hours. If you're old, you just might die before this mirror does. Proper lighting is key. On this Gesipor mirror, Dr. Bob here likes pushing his buttons. He has no idea what he's doing, and neither do we. But damn, his reflection is excellent. Look at the instant demist feature. I am impressed. The Hansong mirror has one-touch adjustable brightness. You also get a 10 times magnification mirror to get your look in all directions. It lifts up and down. Turn it sideways, it lifts up and down. Yay! Paint your face without distraction as you listen to music through the mirror. Keep painting. More. Okay, you got it. Yay. This is a HiMirror Mini with access to the internet. Listen to music or look up YouTube videos or post mean tweets. It is fully adjustable, as you can see. And it's super easy to block the camera whenever you just happen to be butt naked, like I am now. It can wirelessly charge your phone too. Helga here is obsessed, not with herself, but with this LyteSho mirror. She knows how to turn the light on. What else does she know? She knows how to cycle through all of its colors. She's figured out the anti-fog control, which will be helpful as Helga admires herself while plotting to kill Snow White and 6 of the dwarves. She's sleeping with the 7th one. What's fascinating is Helga is actually asleep and she's dreaming all of this. Dreaming about buying this mirror. What are you waiting for? This mirror is so smart, it'll make you look as dumb as a rock, but in a good way. Presenting the AirExpect, a mirror for women and drag queens. Big Bertha here sets up the mirror easily, and she's blonde. Nothing to it. Looks better than the wallpaper. Big Bertha powers it up with a USB port. Then she adjusts the colors. No. Yes. Ready to go. Since Big Bertha is stupefyingly ugly, she needs tons of makeup. The more she piles on, the less agony for anyone who sees her. She adjusts the lighting. Brighter is better. Pay no attention to the wallpaper, it's been replaced. The side mirror's magnification works great for eyebrows and lips, and for plucking hair out of your ears. Wow, and to think she kisses her mother with those lips. Looking nice, Bertha. Just the same as when you came in. The Mavisever mirror. This is an upscale hotel, and this flight attendant has a plane to catch. The mirror provides the only light in the room. The woman doesn't need anything other than her reflection. If she likes what she sees, she may leave. Gone, she never powered off the mirror. Hot women can get away with this. You can't, unless you're hot. This VanTop Dash Cam streams real-time traffic with a 3 times wider view than a traditional rearview mirror. A Sony sensor captures the details of the journey all day and all night. Cameras are mounted on the front and back of the vehicle and provide spectacular night vision. Get into an accident, you've got it recorded on tape and can show it in court. Unless the accident is your fault, then the tape conveniently self-destructs. Wait, there's more. The Wolfbox Dash Cam provides an alternative solution with split screen. Its Sony sensor provides clear vision in bad weather. You can fiddle all you want with it while driving, and the cops can't stop you. No, no, no. However, adjust it to look out for cops just to play it safe. That should do it. Cool. The Byecold Smart Round is the quintessential black mirror. Its display features the time, date, temperature, lighting brightness, and I thought I saw a few stock market tips. All of this works at the push of a single button. Yes, that's right. All of this information, as well as the lighting controls, operate by tapping that on-off switch. Figuring out the tap sequence is part of the fun. Software developers came up with this rather informed mirror. It's sort of like a home page. Cool.